Hey there, and welcome to cakedotcom's September newsletter. We've implemented some new features like validity periods on time-off policies, the My Tasks page on Plaky, the new and improved Jira integration with Clockify, and many more additions and improvements. Stick around to see what we've prepared for you. We have released a new and improved two-way integration between Jira and Clockify. Once the Clockify app is installed in Jira, you will be able to configure the settings of the integration by choosing whether you want missing projects or tasks created, as well as synchronization between the work log and time entries. Then, go ahead and log in using the email address of your cake.com account and input the code you receive via email. Now you will be able to track time straight from Jira and see the track time in your chosen Clockify workspace in real time. Clockify will automatically populate the time entry information from the issue. Compared to version 1 of the app, projects and tasks are now merged into a single line. Note that if you have disabled creation of missing projects and/or tasks, you will need to select an existing project in Clockify from the drop-down. Besides using the tracker, you can input your work time using manual mode as well. Any changes made in the Clockify app to those time entries will change the work log entries in Jira. And any entries edited in Jira will affect the time entries in Clockify. Owners and admins can add a validity period to the time-off balance to any workspace user. They may set up expiration dates on automatically accrued days within the time-off policy. The available options for monthly accruals are current month, and following year, and for yearly accruals, current year or following year. Owners and admins are also able to add validity periods when managing a user's balance. Web and Windows app sessions are now separated, so logging out from the web doesn't log you out from the Windows app. With this improvement, each app maintains its login session so you can sign out from one without interrupting the other. This prevents unnecessary relogins for users who primarily work in the desktop app. We now support landscape view in the Android app, so you have more flexibility when using the app on your tablet or when rotating your phone. The added Pomodoro Timer on Clockify's iOS app helps you structure your work. On the Time Tracker page, head over to the Pomodoro tab. You can set intervals by defining custom durations for your focus and break sessions, turn automatic breaks on so the break timer starts automatically the moment your focus session ends, and track breaks by choosing a default project for your breaks so this time is tracked separately from your billable work. You are now able to split any existing time or break entry into two separate segments as well by choosing an entry and tapping on Split, and choosing at which point you want the entry to be split. On top of being able to approve and reject time-off requests from Clockify right inside Pumble, you are now able to add the rejection note as well. We've added a new shortcut, /create poll, so you can quickly build polls directly inside any channel or DM. Just type the command, configure the poll settings, and send your poll. We have added the option to copy links to messages from archived channels. This update makes it easier to reference and share past conversations even after a channel has been archived. Utilize the full potential of the in-call chat by using shortcuts to add rich text formatting, and also choose an emoji from autocomplete. We have added a Mentions and Reactions page to the Pumble Android app, which you can access by tapping the @Mentions tab at the bottom of the app. As for updates on the Pumble iOS app, you now have the option to use audio-only mode to disable video tracks of other call participants, and your own video display will not be affected. This mode optimizes call performance and reduces cellular data usage. When sharing a link from Plaky, you will be prompted to choose whether you'd like the URL to be replaced with a hyperlink, displaying the name of the item you shared so the recipient knows what's behind the link. You can now disable link preview in your profile preferences. Tap and hold on a channel on the homepage to see a preview of messages in that channel. And schedule a DM via the new message screen by holding the Send button. Plaky now lets you see every task assigned to you on a single page, so you can easily organize your day and manage your priorities. Click on My Tasks in the left sidebar to open the My Tasks page, and click Start Tracking Tasks. Then you will have an overview of all tasks assigned to you across all boards within the workspace, with a view of the date, status, and assigned persons. By clicking on the gear icon in the top right, you can customize your view by optionally hiding completed tasks or empty groups, and choosing which boards you wish to include. Within each board, you can choose which date field and status field to view if your board has multiple fields. Use the drop-down menu to select a layout that works best for you. You can group your tasks by date, by status, by board, or by none. You can also create a new item or sub-item straight from the My Tasks page. However, keep in mind that the item itself will not show up on the My Tasks page unless you assign yourself to it. We have added quick access copy URL buttons for items, sub-items, comments, replies, and files, so you may share relevant information with your team with a simple click. You can set a reminder for a specific comment or reply by clicking on the three dots next to the comment, selecting Remind Me, and choosing either one of the predefined times or a custom time. You will then be notified about the reminder with an in-app notification, ensuring you don't miss important conversations. On the Plaky Android app, you will now be able to divide your Kanban view by item groups on your board by tapping on the three dots, then View Configuration, and finally enable the Divide by Groups option. This lets you see in what item groups particular items belong. If this option is turned off, all items will be displayed together. Stay tuned for future updates, and thank you for watching.